What do you find most challenging about acting for camera? What do you find most challenging about acting on camera? Hi guys, Ruggero here from One Foot in the Door. As you can see, this is a slightly different setup than usual. I am on holiday in Poland at the moment, okay? But I wanted to do this little video to launch a giveaway competition. Now, on Saturday, 1st of August at 12 p.m. UK time, I'm finally going to launch my online screen acting course, Unboxing Screen Acting. Some of you will know that, I've been working on this for quite a while, and I'm very proud of it. I have to say, it's a really cool course. I created it whilst we were on lockdown. So the idea was, how can I teach screen acting to someone who is just locked in their own home and they're alone? So I had to come up with a lot of different modified exercises than what I usually teach. And I'm quite proud of the result. I've tested it with a few people. The results have been really good. So I'm very, very excited to finally launch Volume 1 on Saturday. Because of that, I am going to launch now this giveaway competition. So one lucky winner will get to access the course for free. What do you need to do? You just need to answer this simple question down in the comments below of this video. And the question is, what do you find most challenging about acting for camera? It can be anything, it can be continuity, it can be the intimacy you have with the audience, it can be working on a set, it can be even accessing roles, I don't know, whatever, just let me know. I'm running this competition throughout all my social media, so that's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube. So you feel free to answer this question on multiple platforms. I will select at random one person throughout all of those, and I will announce the winner at the same time that we launch, so at 12 p.m. on Saturday, the 1st of August, so next Saturday. So this coming Saturday, okay, in a few days. So there you go. I am very excited about this. I hope you guys are too. You can see, if you're curious, if you go on my website, onefootinthedoor.co.uk, link down below, you can get a free lesson from the course, so you can have an idea as to what it is and how it works, okay? So I hope you guys are excited. I am, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.